and today I'll be doing some maintenance on the Vespa LX 150. Since I already have the rear tire off, I figured I might as well change the hub oil because it's easiest to do when you don't have a tire on. Using my 6mm hex socket, I'll be removing the hub oil drain bolt. To help the oil flow faster, I'm going to loosen the dipstick. For oil choices, I prefer to use Motul Gear 300 SAE 75 W90 100% synthetic. Now that the oil has drained out, I'm going to replace the drain bolt so I can replace the oil. Now that I'm ready to replace the oil, I have removed the dipstick. Motul has a built-in funnel that you can just insert into the hole. If your brand of oil does not have a funnel, I've heard of people using ketchup squeeze bottles, turkey basters, or even big syringes. Always use your dipstick to make sure you have the appropriate amount of oil.